This simple thing changed everything for me and will do the same for you. So, I have prepared this model in an interview, and my interviewer has deducted my marks. What was the reason? We are going to decode that in this short video. When I examined my model and came to know that what was the reason behind that deduction was in the model navigator itself. Now you can see the dependency of this extrude is on this sketch, which is sketch 1, and the dependency of extrude 4 is on sketch 3. Now, the deduction was made because this sketch was not internal to this extrude. Because if I just go to this and just go to edit sketch, it will bring me to the sketch 1. Now, why the sketch 1 is external to extrude? It should be internal. Now, what is the meaning of internal? So you have to click on this and have a right click. Then you have to activate this option, make sketch internal. Like if I just click on this, now you can see that sketch has been an internal part now of this extrude. Earlier it was like this, like you can see here, this is sketch 3 and it is external currently. So I'm just going to make it as internal. Now you can see this is how we can clean the model navigator. Now if I want to edit this sketch, so just have a click on this and then just go to edit sketch. So here you can see we are landing on the same page. So you have to be very careful that if it is able to make your sketches as internal part of any feature, just without any doubt make them internal. Now in this case, like you can see here, this is sketch 5. Let me just increase the translucency for you. So I'm just going to increase the translucency like this. Now, this is the swept command I have used for creating this feature. Now here we have the sketch 5, which is the trajectory or you can say as the guide path to the swept. Now, am I able to make this sketch as internal part of swept? Is it possible? The answer will be no. Like if I just have a right click on swept, so here you can see I am not getting the option of make sketch internal. However, if I just go to edit sketch, I will land on the same sketch as sketch 5. So here you have to be very careful like what commands to offer the make sketch internal option and what doesn't. So that is all for today. If you believe that you have learned something from this video, please do hit a like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel because this is Cat to Live for you.